Shri Bhagwati presents Screw Capping Machine. A screw capping machine is a type of industrial equipment designed to automate the process of sealing containers, typically bottles or jars, with screw caps or lids. This machine is commonly used in various industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and more. The primary purpose of a screw capping machine is to improve the efficiency and consistency of the capping process, ensuring that the caps are securely and evenly applied to each container. Screw capping machines are designed to automate the capping process, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing production efficiency. There are different types of screw capping machines available, ranging from semi-automatic models that require some level of human intervention to fully automatic systems that can handle large-scale production without much human oversight. The choice of the right screw capping machine depends on factors such as the production volume, the type of products being capped, and the specific requirements of the production line. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.